How to fix Spotify account hacks. So if your Spotify account has been hacked or maybe compromised, there are a couple of steps that you have to take very quickly in order to try to start your recovery process. The first thing we will do is we will open our browser and go to spotify.com. So we will not use the app, but rather we will go to spotify.com from our web browser. Then tap on the three lines icon from the top right hand side and go to the option called login. First of all, try to check how much of your hacked information has been changed. So whether the hacker changed your password but still you have your email, you can reset your password with your email. But if they change the email, you can recover with your phone number. So the first and foremost thing you do is simply type in the email address of which you believe your account has been compromised, then tap the continue button. Now if it is saying it is sending a 6-digit code to your email, that's perfectly good news. You can go ahead and then receive that code and recover your account. Or maybe you're trying to log in with the password and it is showing that the password is incorrect. Then in that case also what you can do is you can simply choose to reset your password. Now if the email address also has been changed, then what you can try to do is basically Spotify will recognize any old email that was used in your account. So if every information was changed at once, Spotify will still give you access to recover your account. So the best thing that you can do is you can simply open up your browser and log into that specific email where you have your Spotify account, then simply verify the OTP code that you received from that particular account, and you can go ahead and then paste it here and gain access to your account in that way. And hopefully this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.